Hi guys, welcome to Kusina Corner. For today's video, we'll be making one of our favorite Korean dish, soondubujjigae or Korean spicy tofu soup. Here's the list of ingredients. You'll also see this in the description box below. So let's start. You'll need gochujang or Korean hot pepper paste, a medium-sized onion, spring onion, garlic, silken tofu, mushroom, 250 grams minced pork, and 250 grams of shrimp. We're gonna put this on a medium-high heat and putting 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. Next is we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in there. Next, we're going to put in the spring onions. Allow it to infuse together. So the order of these ingredients are important, so follow along carefully. Next, we put our minced pork. Next, we're going to add in our onions. We're going to put now our garlic and mix it through very well. Next thing we're going to add is the gochujang or Korean red pepper paste. That's going to take in all of the moisture out of there, so lower the heat a little bit. Then we're gonna add the salt. And we're gonna add in the sugar to balance out the heat. Alright, then finally we want to add 2 tablespoons soy sauce in our cooking pan. And there it is, our Soondubu paste. Next is, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of water. Next is, we're gonna add in the sliced mushrooms. The ingredients have taken in all the water out, so we're just adding 1/4 cup of water. Let it boil for 3 to 5 minutes and add 2 tablespoons of gochujang. Next, we're adding 200 grams of shrimp. Soondubu goes very well with some seafood. You can use oysters or a couple of clams too. And while we're waiting for that to boil, next thing we're gonna add is the key ingredient, dubu or tofu. You can find many Korean dishes that are made of tofu as the main ingredient. So this is soft tofu that I bought from a Korean grocery store. It comes in a regular container like this and it's specially made for this, but it's extra soft. Next is, I'm just gonna cut the tofu evenly. For the final shot, we're dropping in an egg. Let it boil for 10 minutes, allowing all the ingredients to infuse together. Looks like it's ready to serve. And there it is. Here's our soondubujjigae. Best served when it's boiling hot. And this is what I normally partner soondubujjigae with, plain rice and kimchi. Guys, if you find this video useful, remember to click on the subscribe button and like and share it with your friends or family. Thanks for watching.